morning parents, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My name is Achal ma'am from New Era Global School. So first start with prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes. He Sharde Ma, He Sharde Ma, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. मुनियों ने समझी है, गुनियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी. हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. तू स्वर की देवी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे. मन से हमारे मिटा के अंधेरा, हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you refresh. So our today's session will start with activities. So now activity time. So parents, in this activity we need some objects. We need some objects. So now kids, in this activity, आपको क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? There are some objects, right? So now look at the object given below and choose the correct first letter for the given object. आपको क्या करना है? हम इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक में फर्स्ट करते हैं ना, बिगिनिंग साउंड को सर्कल करना है, right? So now first start with first picture. So which picture is this? Napkin, right? Sorry, which object is this? Napkin. Which object is this? Napkin. And napkin start with sound? Napkin. Napkin. And which letter having sound? M? No. P? No. And yes, and napkin. And for napkin. And for napkin. So circle the letter and. Circle the letter and for napkin. So now which object is this? Which object is this? This is fruit. But which fruit is this? Pomegranate, right? Which fruit is this? Pomegranate. So pomegranate sound. Pomegranate start with which sound? P. Pomegranate. And which letter having P sound? Letter B. No, B says B. Letter D. No, D says D. Letter P. P says P. Yes, P says P. P for pomegranate. So circle the letter P. Circle the letter P. Now third picture. So which one is third picture? Which picture is this? Which object is this? What we use for rough on the board? Yes, duster. We use duster. We use duster. So what is the phonics? Duster start with which sound? D. And which letter having D sound? Letter Q? No, Q says Q. Letter A? No, A says A. So letter D? D says D. Yes, D says D. So D for duster. So circle the letter D. D says D. D says D. So which object is this? Box. Yes. Which object is this? Box. Which object is this? Box. So box sound like B. Yes. So circle the letter B. So in this activity we learn that for sounds start with letters, right? So in this activity we choose the correct letter having sound with object. So now classwork time. So kids, take out your English worksheet everyone. Take out your English worksheet and page number 23. Page number 23. So write CW here and date. Parents, please guide your children. Match the capital letters with their small letters. आपको क्या करना है? Match capital letters to their small letters, right? So here are capital letters and here are small letters. So आपको क्या करना है? Capital letter match to small letters. Capital letter match to their small letters. So are you all ready? So look at the board. So kids, match capital letter with small letters. Match capital letters to their small letters. So which letter is this? Capital letter M. And what is the phonic sound of M? What is the phonic sound of M? M says So now find out the small letter M here. So where is the small letter M here? This one? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. So capital letter M we match with small letter M. So start with capital letter M to small letter M. Match the letter M. M says and which letter is this? Capital letter N. And N says capital letter N. And N says and what is the phonic sound of letter N? Right? So find out small letter N here. This one? No. This one? Yes. So match with capital letter to their small letter. And for nose. Now M done and letter done. So which letter is this? Letter O. And O says O. O says O. So where is the small letter O here? Find out. This one? No. So which letter is this? Letter P. Very good. So there are O. Yes. So match small letter O to that capital letter. Like this. Now, so which letter is this? Letter P. And P says P. P says P. So find out letter P here. So O letter is done. M letter is done. N letter is done. So which letter is remaining? Letter P. And P says P. So match letter P with capital letter P. So capital letter P to small letter P like this. And our first page classwork is done. Now second page classwork. and choose the first correct letter. The first correct letter of given pictures. Same as activity. Today we do one activity. उसमें हमने क्या किया था? उसमें हमारे पास थे objects, right? So हमने objects को लेकर उसके first beginning sound में circle किया था. So same as activity. आज हमें क्या करना है? हमारा class work. So first write down CW. And are you all happy today? So make a smiley. Yes, we are happy today. And write down date. So shall we start our class work? Okay. So which picture is this? Mango. Yes. And mango start with sound. With sound. And what is the phonic sound? Sorry, what is the letter of sound? Yes, letter M. And M says and for mango. Mango start with letter M. So circle the letter M. So now which picture is this? Nest. Yes. Nest. So which letter start with sound? N. Yes. So circle the letter N. And for nest. Now which picture is this? Orange. Yes. Orange. Oh, orange. And what is the one sound of orange? Oh. Start with O. So where is O here? This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. So O for orange. आपको समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों? Now which picture is this? Fish. Fish. And fish sound with sound. Sound with sound. Sound. So fish. Fish. F for fish. Yes. So circle the letter F. So today's class work is done. So today's class work is in English worksheet. First page 23 में match capital letter to that small letters. हमने क्या किया first? Capital letter को match किया small letters के साथ. And then in next page we choose the correct letter. We choose the correct letter, first letter of pictures, right? So today's class work is done. Now homework time. So kids, today's homework is in English worksheet. Take out English worksheet everyone. Page number 22. 22. Now write HW here, right? Now tick the eggs having letter M, N, O, P. Which letter? M, N, O, P. In few weeks we learn some letters, how to write some letters M, like M, N, O, P. So now tick the egg. हमें क्या करना है? There are eggs having letters like M, A, B, N, C, O. बट हमें किस में टिक करना है? M लेटर में, N लेटर में, O लेटर में और P लेटर में, राइट? सो हाउ वी टिक? Slanting line, other slanting line, right? First up to down and then down to up. हमें टिक ऐसे करना है, right? So shall we start our today's homework? So first we take letter M, okay? So where is M here? This one? Yes. So tick the egg. Then our M is done. Now which letter is this? Letter N. So where is N here? This one? No. This one? Yes. So tick the letter N. And after O. So where is O letter here? This one? No. This one? Yes. O. So take here. Then P. So where is letter P here? Yes, this one. So take the eggs. So हमने क्या किया? Eggs को tick किया with having letters M and O P. So now our today's classwork and homework is done. Now phonic sound time. So now kids, our today's classwork and homework is done. Now phonic sound time. So what is the phonic sound of letter A? And. A says and. B says B. C says K. D. D. E. A. F. G. G. H. I. E. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O says O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. And Z. Z. So phonic sound is done. So let's quick recall. Today's class is an English worksheet. Maths capital letter with small letter. And we choose the first letter of the given picture. So our today's classwork and homework. Classwork page number 23 and 24 in worksheet. Homework page number 22 in worksheet. So hope you like today's activity, classwork and homework. Enjoy your awesome day. Bye.